Welcome. Here is the beautiful eyeshadow look that we are doing today. Whenever I do my eyes, I always start off with an eyeshadow primer. This has been my go-to for years and years. I love how it neutralizes my eyelid space really well, but also that it's thin and light and keeps these beautiful eyeshadows on all day until I'm ready to take them off. I'm going to start off with this first eyeshadow called Mauve. It's a medium toned mauve. So not too deep, not too light, and I'm just going to place her in my crease only. What I like to do is I pat her down first to the intensity that I want. Then you can see these little swirling motions that I'm doing, and that is how I love to blend the edges to make sure they are soft and diffused and there's no hard lines. That's really the key to an eyeshadow, is just taking those extra 30 seconds to just do those little motions to soften the edges. Then we're going to go into our second eyeshadow. It is going to be a shimmer or a shine or a sparkle or glitter, whatever you are feeling that day. And the key to this also is using the pad of your finger. I like to use my ring finger. I feel like it gives me the most control. I just swirl it around on the eyeshadow and then I place it just all over my lid, under my crease, and I just keep patting on more until it is at the level of sparkle that I want for that day. So that one is very easy. The third eyeshadow we're going to use is just going to add a little bit of depth. I'm going to go back into that same buffing brush, which is kind of a medium size. It's not too huge and fluffy. It's got a little bit more precision. It's a little bit more tapered and small at the edge, so it helps you to do eyeshadows like this. This one was called Oak. It's more of that medium cool tone eyeshadow that just goes with everything. So all I'm doing is sticking to that outer corner or outer third. I pat on kind of a decent amount, and then once I feel like there's not much left, I then will do that kind of soft patting motion to just again soften those edges. The final step is to take only the second other tool, which is called a bullet eyeshadow brush. It's super soft, it's very small, and it has kind of a dome shape at the top, so it's excellent for blending, and you can see the difference here. You can go without, but I love to decorate my lower lash line. So I pat on just for a quick second, and then because of the style of this brush, I just swipe from side to side and it does all of the blending for me. I just love it. And it just adds a little bit more like oomph for the day, just a little extra something. So definitely we want to add a lot of black and depth to our beautiful lashes. The one I picked today is from Benefit. It's called Gal Bang. I love this one for super lengthening and separating. It's a gorgeous mascara. So 1 to 2 coats and you are set to go. And here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give it a try and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.